Hello, Analytical Mind. Welcome to Elevation of Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel. Elevation of Digital is a data-driven, comprehensive, data-driven digital marketing agency in Bangladesh. We are providing a lot of service like Google Ads, Call Tag Manager, Web Analytics, website tracking, Facebook Ads, Facebook Pixel. So this is our websites. So if you want to know more about us, then you can visit these websites. So let's go to the main point. This is Facebook documents. This is Facebook documents for Advantage plus catalog ads, but this is the new name. Previously, the name was that the dynamic ads. So Facebook asked us if we run a dynamic ads, then we have to pass three events mandatory: view content event, add to cart, and purchase event, and we have to also pass these parameters with that. So content type, content ID, and contents. So if I look at the content IDs, then we will understand can be either a single content ID or an array of content ID. That's when if we pass view content add to cart event, then we have to pass a single content ID. And if I to pass the content ID for purchase, then we have to pass a array content ID. That means when someone will make add to cart a lot of products, multiple products, then the content will be array. So this is the main point in our video. So I will explain how to will configure the content ID as the array. So this is our demo websites. So now we will implement how to implement the array content ID and scrap from the array. So we have already implemented the GTM base code in the website, and this is our Google Tag Manager. So if I preview this Google Tag Manager, connect, okay, it's connected. Now let's continue, and now we will visit a product like this is product, then we'll understand. Okay, and view event is fired in there, and we will check the API call. This is the event ID. So when we will click any product, then the single item event will fire. If I also click the another product, then the view item event also fire, and it's working for view item and add to cart is a single event. And now if I click to the I have already configures and the variables for item ID and items for my easy task. So I have clicked the variables. So this is the DLV products ID. So e-commerce item 0 dot item IDs. We have pulled the data e-commerce item 0 dot item ID, and this is for items array e-commerce dot items. So I have configured two variables in there, and if I click to the variables, then we'll understand. So I have configured variables product ID, and it's pulled the data from 243 item ID because I have purchased a single product. Sorry, I have view a single product, and there the content ID is 243. And if I click to add to cart, then this is the same product. That's why the item ID also the 243. And if I make a add to cart a multiple product like this is, then we will understand. Add to cart and check out. This is checkout. Okay, so our checkout event is fired in there. Checkout, and we will understand the DFP product is 243, but we have make add to cart two products. The first product is 243 and the second product is 242, but this variable is scrap just 243, the first one. So actually this is the wrong concept. And if I go again the Facebook documents, and then they ask us we have to pass multiple IDs for content ID like this is. So how can we implement the array for multiple products? So now I will go a script and collect. I will go documents and copy script and just replace in the custom JavaScript variable. Okay. So this is the script. So at first we will copy this script and make a custom JavaScript variable. So this is custom JavaScript variable. We will just replace in there. So it has a three option. Like in the second row is we have to place a array variables in there. Like this is the array. So we have already configured this array. Like for items, this is the array. We have already configured this variable. So now we'll just replace the variables. We have to replace the exact name of the variable. Just second bracket and okay. So now we have to look for the third row. So you will get in the items and items, because if I click the data layer, then we will understand what will be the name for array. So this is the items for the name of the array. So we'll just copy the name of array and just replace in there. So I have already implemented this name items and items. If it would be the products for the name of the array, then we will just copy the product and the replace in there. So now what we will now will pull. So we will pull is the item ID. So I will copy the item ID and just replace in there. So I have already placed in it. So it will work for a dynamic array item ID. So now the name will be CJS item ID. Just save it, and now we will check it from preview mode. Actually this is work or not work. Connect. Okay. So if I go to the checkout in again, then checkout. Okay. So our checkout event is fired in there. If I click the checkout and click on variables, then you understand. So our new variable, the custom JavaScript variable, is pull the data array 243 and 242. So this is the first one 243. The second one is the 242. But our first variable is collect a wrong concept 246. So this is the actually wrong and this is the right. And we have already follow our Facebook guidance. Okay. So if you want to collect their item name, then we can also use the same script. We will just copy the item name and just replace in there. We have to replace in there. Sorry, this is not. Okay. So we have just replace in the item ID, just replace in the item name on there. Then it will be work for item name. So this is the actual concept. If I make a purchase in there, so this is Bangladesh. Okay. Now we will place an order. Okay. Okay. So now we will click on place an order. Okay, the purchase event is fired in there, and if I go to the variables section, okay, this is also working for purchase event 243 and 242. So actually this is the process. So we have to implement for checkout and purchase event this custom JavaScript variable to multiple data scraping from array. So hopefully you understand these things. So thank you so much. So if you want to know more about and to get more specific or tips and tricks for Google Tag Manager, Google and Sport, then please subscribe to our channel, and next time we will show you with another video. for you. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.